So you might be in a situation where your Apple Pencil's battery life is just not working out that well, or maybe it's just dying super rapidly. Now, the first thing I would recommend doing, and as always, the first thing I'd always recommend doing, is making sure that your Apple Pencil is fully connected to your iPad. Sometimes, if you're traveling or if you're doing something, if your iPad, let's just say this is the iPad, if it's not completely flush within your specific device, that can randomly cause some issues, and that may end up being the problem with your device. So just go through and make sure your Apple Pencil is fully intact and fully connected, because if it's not, that can probably cause some issues as well. I know for me personally, that was kind of the big thing that was causing problems. So I would probably recommend, kind of you fixing that as well. Now, if that doesn't end up working, the next thing I recommend doing is making sure that your Apple Pencil, the battery inside is pretty good in size. Like if it's a very old Apple Pencil, there's chances that this specific battery has degraded and there's not really too much you can do. You pretty much are just going to have to kind of wait it out until they pretty much fix the problem or until you replace this because, this thing has a battery inside. Over time, it gets degraded and it's not even that big of a size battery. So it's kind of one of those things to keep in mind. Now, if that doesn't end up working, the other thing you can try doing is every so often, whenever you're actually using your iPad, if you can, if you want to, you can actually you not necessarily disconnect your Apple Pencil, but put it away, leave it away from your iPad, and usually it should disconnect the further it is from your Apple Pencil. So that's usually another thing to keep in mind as well. And personally for me, that's something that I've kind of had to do, and that might end up fixing it for you as well. So those are pretty much the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.